Hello everyone. Last week there was a post on my LinkedIn which inspired me a lot. It was a graceful picture of Lieutenant General Dr. Madhuri Kanetkar in an Indian Army uniform on the cover page of the well-known magazine Femina. This inspired me to differ from my routine topic of sales and marketing which I have been talking about since last couple of weeks and talk about her. Talk about our heroes of Indian society. Dr. Madhuri Kanetkar has been decorated with the second highest position in the Indian Army in the early days of this year, that is Lieutenant General. She is the third Indian woman in the history of Indian Army to be decorated with this second highest position. What made her reach this position? Basically, Dr. Madhuri Kanetkar has been working in Indian Army for last 37 years and she was the Dean of Armed Forces Medical College at Pune. Currently, she is working as Deputy Chief of Integrated Defense Medical Staff. She has been also awarded with Vishishta Seva Medal in 2014 and Ati Vishishta Seva Medal in 2018. We all are proud of this achievement of Lieutenant General Madhuri Kanetkar that made her appear on the magazine Femina. It was not her picture on the cover page of Femina that made me feel proud about her. It was her life, her 37 years of struggle, the hardship that she has gone through, these sacrifices that she has made, the devotion, her persuasion of her dreams for those long number of years is what made her appear on the cover page of Femina. This triggered a question in my mind that who are our real heroes today? Who are our inspirations? Who are our role models? Have we forgotten the sacrifice of the freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for the freedom that we are enjoying today? Do we salute the sacrifice of the Jawans who are fight for us at the borders to keep us secure all 365 days a year? Do we remember them? Because we find our new generation, the Gen Next, what we so call the Gen Next, mostly following film stars and cricketers. We are so obsessed with the glamorous lifestyle of these film stars and cricketers that the young generation tries to follow and imitate them through and through. They try to dress like them, they try to follow their fashion styles, they try to eat like them, they try to drink like them, party like them, everything. But we forget what we see on the cameras or what we see on the social media is what is shown to us. There is a huge difference in their real life and real life. Are these our real heroes? If not, and if you agree, then who should be our real heroes? Our inspirations, role models should be such that their life, their experiences, the incidences that they have faced would enrich our life with values. It would act like guide for our life. Their thoughts, their deeds, their actions should inspire us to dream and accomplish something big, something great, something different that would not only feel us proud of ourselves, but at the same time, our family and the nation also should feel proud about you. Someone who will help me transform my life. At the same time, if I'm able to transform life of others, nothing greater than that. You can find your heroes anywhere. It could be in your surroundings, it could be in your neighborhood, it could be in your family, it could be at your workplace, it could be in your school, it could be in your college. Anywhere you can find your hero. And who could be those heroes? Your hero could be probably your parents. It could be probably any of your family member. It could be any of your teacher or maybe your boss at your workplace. Maybe a well-known social figure, maybe a dignitary, maybe a social worker. It could be a monk, anyone who will enrich your life with values. who will help you explore the potential that you have never explored yet, who will help you discover yourself to achieve and accomplish your dreams, could be your hero. I would like to share a very small story here. I went to a local vegetable market, and I have a habit of asking people about how do they make their livings and how much do they earn, just to understand, just to get an insight of their lives. When I happened to visit him, so I asked him, "Bhaiya, kitna kama lete ho din ka?" And I was shocked to know he said approximately 50,000 rupees a month. And I remember it was only we used to sell potatoes and onions. I asked, "भैया कितने पढ़े लिखे हो?" He said, "मैडम मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ा लिखा नहीं हूँ, सिर्फ चौथी पास हूँ, लेकिन मेरे भाई को मैं इंजीनियर बना रहा हूँ। मैं चाहता हूँ मेरा भाई पढ़ लिख कर एक बड़ा इंसान बने." Friends, his story inspired me. As it is, I am working for education of young girls and boys, and this story inspired me a lot. You can find your story, you can find your inspiration, you can find your role model. And when you have a choice to make, you can make the best choice of all. So, friends, do let us know who is your role model and what in your role model inspired you to follow them. So, friends, make your best choice and find your role model or your inspirations. Do share your videos or your stories with us. Maybe someone else could find their inspiration or role model in yours. So, take good care of yourself and see you next. Thank you.